This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Prepare to fall in love. All-brick 2-story home located in the heart of Great Bridge. Cul De Sac with a half-acre lot on canal. Great for fishing, canoeing, and kayaking. 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, open concept floor plan. Hardwood floors throughout, tile bathrooms, custom built-in and trim. Thermador Appliances, granite countertops, wet bar, ice maker, trash compactor. First floor primary with custom shower, double sinks, spacious walk-in closet. Bonus in-law suite with separate kitchenette and bath. Screened porch, in-ground pool with slide outdoor kitchen, hot tub, sprinkler system, fenced yard. Come see all the many other features this one-of-a-kind home. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.